So this we're gonna do the spark plug on a Lexus rx350. It's like 2008 or 2009. The spark plug I got like for $15 each. You're going to need like 6 of them. And the PCV I got for maybe around $10. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take out the wiper arm. So before you take out the wiper arm, you have to remember where was it before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape here to mark where I took it out. Then you can start taking it out. Sometimes it gets stuck. You need to hit it. If that work, I was trying with a screwdriver, try to lift up with it. So what I did, I sprayed some silicone and just keep doing it and it will come right out. Like I said, over time it just gets rusted, so it's hard to come out. I think the hell out. Let's check it. Buddha bless me. Anyway, so there's 2 more you have to take out here, and the other side too. Also, you also have to disconnect this, and I think should be good. I think what happened is when you try to pull it up, it gets stuck onto this stud. So I think I know why it's so hard to take it out. I think they put double side tape underneath of here, so you have to yank really hard. What happened was this here was caught on the bottom because it's so old. I think this double side tape, so it just got stuck in the back. That's why it's so hard to get out. So now we're going to start taking this out, this piece. I'll take out this piece too. And since we're here, we're going to change the PCV too. This one we're going to change. I think it's a 19. You shake it, and you hear rattle, it means good. But you know, since this is so cheap, just replace it with. So now we're going to clean the door body since we're here.